Potions have so many cool effects now in Minecraft, but there are limits to what they can do. This video shows you how to create any custom potion you want, even potions that spawn in your own personal defenders to get you out of a sticky situation. The first step in creating custom potions is you need to make the actual potions. So for the golden rain I've used this one here, which is just honey. And when I throw it, it's going to spawn in golden rain, which is lots of different golden things. Some nuggets, apple, golden bars. And then the other one, which is the buddy one. This one is a regen potion, which you could drink for regen, but it won't work like that. You need to throw it, unfortunately. And that spawns in the buddy, which is just an iron golem with a lot more health than they normally have. To make these potions, first select what potion you're going to use, or potion looking thing. So you could use a bot of enchanting, anything you like really. But you can also use any of these potions, or any of these, but I would go away from using these two just because you're probably inclined to throw them with right click, whereas these you can't do that. So a bot of regen 2 works well. Next you want to name it something custom, because this is how it's going to be identified. So buddy potion. Put a space in there as well. There we go. The buddy potion. Then drop that into the structure block, and again save it as buddy potion, and just save that. So the first command block will be repeat. This is for each potion, so it's only 3 command blocks per potion. Obviously if you do more complex stuff it might be a little bit longer. So repeat unconditional always active. First one is test for any entity type item with the name buddy potion. It's purple here just because my other one's purple, but yours would just be white. The second one is chain conditional always active. So if that last one was true, it will set this one off and execute at the location of the potion, run structure load buddy. So for the buddy one, you do have to make a second structure, which is in this case the iron golem. So yeah, you need to make your buddy. So first push the iron golem or whatever your thing is into here. You might want to name it. This one does have a name, but I don't have game tags on. And then save it as a structure. So nice easy one for this one, just buddy. Save it as buddy. And then that'll mean this will get spawned in when you drop the potion, because this one loads in the structure. So execute at any entity with the name buddy potion. So anytime that this potion gets dropped on the floor, which will mean if you're using this in a map, you need the potions to always be in chests. They can't get dropped by enemies because they will spawn in the effect. And then run structure load buddy at location, and I've just got +1 so it doesn't delete any grass or anything. Okay, and the last one deletes the potion, so kill any entity type item name buddy potion. This will only happen on the floor, so it won't delete them from your inventory. Okay, and then to show that on buddy potion, if I toss that one out, it spawns in the iron golem from over there. Sorry. And then the gold one's very much the same thing. There's only a slight difference in this one, so it's again test for anything with the name golden rain, and then execute at location, run structure load this. But the only difference I've made for this one is because the structure is just a saved, like lots of gold saved. So if I load the structure here with this one, I think it's gold. Is it gold rain? Yeah, gold rain. Load that in. It's just lots of golden things all in one block. So having that on the floor wouldn't be really like rain, so instead it spawns in 20 blocks up, which will then fall down on your head. And then the last one deletes the potion. Yep, so that's how to make custom potions in Minecraft. This can work for a whole host of other things. If you're not sure about something, I've got my Discord in the description. You can send me a message, join that, send me a message on there, and I'll definitely help you out and hopefully be able to do the thing that you need. If you want to subscribe, press the button on the left. If you want to watch a video on how to make a mimic in Minecraft, a chest that opens up into an enemy when you try to get the loot out of it, press the video on the right. Thanks for watching.